How to redeem Monopoly codes on iPhone. In today's video, I will show you how to redeem codes on Monopoly Go on your iPhone. So first, if you don't have Monopoly Go installed yet, you can download it in the App Store. So once it's installed, log in using your Facebook account. So as you can see, the app itself doesn't have a redeem code option, so you will need to use your web browser. So open Safari or your prepared browser and go to monopolygo.com. So once you're on the website, log in with your Facebook account just like in the app. Then after logging in, scroll down until you see the option to redeem codes. Or tap the three bars at the top right corner and select reward codes. Now, paste or type in your code in the bar provided. Then after typing in your Monopoly Go code, just tap the Go button, and if it's valid, you will receive your reward directly in the app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to stay updated on more Monopoly Go codes, tips, and free rewards. So thanks for watching and happy playing.